Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ali, but you can call me Air. So today we are going to deploy Node.js app to Azure Cloud Service. Let's straight jump into the code. Let me share my screen first. Yeah, so I already created a basic Express.js app running upon 3000. So before moving forward, let's go into extension. You need this extension Azure App Service. Just click on it. You have to install this extension before if you want to deploy your app. It makes deployment easy. That's it. Let's click on Azure. Let's click on the Azure App Service, right click on it. Let's click on it, right, create new web app advanced, this option. Enter the app, Azure Node App Service. This will be your domain name. Yeah. Hit enter. Create new resource group. The resource group will say, hit enter. I'm using Node.js 20. You can select any. Select any location. I'm using North Europe. Create new service app plan. I'm using free tier. You can select any plan. Because free tier is free and I don't have to pay any penny. Click on it. You have to skip for now option. Select skip for now option for inside resource. We don't need this option at the moment for deployment. Yeah, so it takes some time to deploy our app. Yeah, so our app is deployed now. Let's go on the terminal. Let's check it. Let's click on it. Browse website. Yeah, you see. Oh, hello world. That's it, mate. So our app, our Node.js app is deployed now to Azure Cloud Service. That's for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share the content. So see you soon. Bye. Bye. Take care.